Greetings, my fellow mathematician. Are you ready to stretch your brain cells? Me too. So happy we're here learning together today. Couple reminders to stay focused. Have your headphones in. Your phone is out of sight, out of mind. The tabs on your computer are closed. Those should all help. As you can see, a couple of colors will be helpful today. So I'm going to be using some colored pens. And we are on page 6 in the Student Companion. So here we go. You probably remember that a net is a two-dimensional shape. We've got nets over here in column A, and they're asking us to take those nets and fold them up in our mind to create a three-dimensional shape or figure on the right-hand side in column B. Remember, you can stop as you need to replay anything. And if you are confused about anything, just put the timestamp over on the edge of your paper, either side, and we can always touch base tomorrow in class. So if I were to cut this shape out around all these edges and tape this center spot down on my table after I cut it out, fold up each triangular side, I would end up with this prism over on the right-hand side, prism pyramid, rectangular pyramid. On number 2, if I were to cut around all these edges, instead of taping anything down on this one, I would actually fold up this side and fold up this side to create a circular shape, and then maybe imagine I put glue on these two edges. It would give me a top and a bottom, and then that rectangle actually gives me my curved edge on my cylinder. On number 3, cut out in my mind this entire shape. I would probably pretend I taped down this edge onto my tabletop, fold this side up to give me a front, this side up to give me a left edge, this side up to give me a right edge. This side would be opposite my front face, and then this one I'd have to flip around to be my top. So a little bit different orientation here, but it would give me a rectangular prism, much like a tissue box. Or I have like a box like this. So same idea. Okay, some vocabulary that we're going to talk about. Conjecture is a guess or a prediction, and they give us some context here. A conjecture is a conclusion reached by using inductive reasoning. So a type of reasoning that they're discussing here is when you use your senses, sight, smell, taste, to come up with a conclusion based on what you see or what you hear, so a conjecture. So they're asking us to write whether or not the word conjecture is being used as a noun or a verb. So remember from English class, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Our verb is going to be an action word. So, you make a conjecture that your volleyball team will win. Making is going to be our action word. So we're making a conjecture, making an idea that our volleyball team will win. So conjecture here will be a noun. Assuming that your sister ate the last cookie is a conjecture. Assuming is going to be our action word, that your sister ate the last cookie is a conjecture. Again, will be a noun. You conjecture that your town will build a swimming pool. So you conjecturing, there's our action. So conjecture here will be a verb. Okay, I'm going to stop